wants to know how to see both video feeds from both lenses.
Okay. Well, that's not hard to do at all. So he wants to see them both at the same time?
Yes.
Okay. So there's a lot of different ways to do that.
Yeah, because you were just showing the NDI studio monitor version.
Yeah, I would do it with NDI. Would be like my preferred way. So let's just do that really quickly. There's a lot of ways to do it. But my preferred way, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put 2 studio monitor video feeds right next to each other.
Oh, I didn't know you could have 2 studio monitor feeds.
You can. You can have
many
right
as
next to
your
each other.
Computer can handle, basically.
Yeah.
Boom. There is both right next to each other.
So one of them could be NDI, the other could be the HuddleCam software. There's a lot of ways that you could do this, as Paul just mentioned. You could do it in NDI alone, like this setup, or you could do it in the software as well.
The nice thing about NDI is, so we could be recording both of these at the same time, right? We can be using NDI Studio Monitor, or we could be using vmix or OBS or a NewTek TriCaster or Livestream Studio. There's a lot of ways to do this. In fact, I'm pretty sure NDI has a tool for routing and recording NDI sources that can be used for this as well. So if you just wanted to have the wide angle source, you could. Maybe you just need a wide angle for a certain reason.
Yeah.
You definitely can. But the only way to have the overlays, right, and the intelligent design of your tracking and your blocking zones, that will be done with.